If you want to create a picture collage for CapCut videos that actually plays live inside your timeline with animated entries, this is the method you need. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a manual photo collage in CapCut using multi-track layering, and I'll also show you how to resize, reposition, and sync everything so it looks clean and professional. This is a great technique if you want more control than a basic template, and it works especially well for side-by-side layouts, grid collages, or creative custom arrangements. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more CapCut editing tips just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open CapCut and start a new project. Once your project is ready, go ahead and import all of the photos you want to use in your collage. To do that, click on the Media Import option and load every image into your media library. This step is important because you want all of your photos ready before you start building the layout. After your photos are imported, drag your first photo down onto the main timeline track. This first image will act as your base layer, so place it where you want the collage sequence to begin. Now comes the layering part. Take the rest of your photos and drag each one directly above the first track. This creates a stacked multi-layer effect, which is what allows the collage to play live inside the video timeline, instead of being flattened into one still image. If you want the collage to feel more dynamic, this method gives you a lot more flexibility. Next, you need to sync the duration of every image clip. Go through each photo on the timeline and drag the edges so that all of the clips have the exact same length. Matching the duration is really important because it keeps the collage visually consistent and makes the animation look intentional. If one clip is shorter than the others, the layout can become uneven or cut out too early. So take a moment to line everything up properly. Once your images are stacked and synced, move to the preview window. Click on one of the photos in the preview player to activate its bounding box. This is what lets you edit the size and position of each element directly on screen. Now use the corner handles to shrink the image and move it into place. You can drag each photo to the left, right, top or bottom, depending on the collage style you want. If you're going for a simple side-by-side look, place 2 or more photos evenly across the screen. If you want a grid collage, try arranging the photos into equal sections so the layout feels balanced. This is the part where your creativity really comes in, because CapCut gives you full control over the arrangement. You can make the collage symmetrical, offset the images for a more modern style, or overlap them slightly for a more artistic effect. Keep adjusting the spacing until the composition looks right. If needed, go back and fine-tune the size of each image so no important details are cropped out. Also, make sure the collage fits nicely inside the frame so it looks good on mobile and desktop screens. The goal is to create something that feels polished, readable, and visually engaging. And because you're using the manual layering method, you can customize every part of the design instead of relying on a preset. Once you're happy with the collage, play the timeline back and check the flow from start to finish. Make sure every image stays in place, every layer is aligned, and the overall effect looks smooth. If you want to add even more style, you can pair the collage with transitions, motion effects, text, or background music to make the final edit feel more complete. But even on its own, this layered collage method can make your CapCut videos look much more professional. So that's how to create a picture collage for CapCut videos using multi-track layering. It's manual, it takes a little creativity, but it gives you complete control over the final result. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more editing tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want more CapCut guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.